It's super insane, guys. So keep watching the video, and I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to play a modded version of the game Fishdom. So this is for iOS and Android. So as you can see, I'm poor right now, but I do have this mod menu here where I can actually enable unlimited diamonds. There's some other settings too, but I'm mainly into that. So let's see if our diamonds start increasing on the Fishdom. So currently there's 1,200 of them. So let's see, and it's working. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. It works on iOS and Android. So let's get straight into the tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys how to download it. So it's pretty easy. So the first thing we're going to do is open up a new tab, and I want you to type tweakmod.com. So let me just type it in right here. So this is the website, guys, where we're going to download it. So go to the search bar and just type in Fishdom. And as you can see, guys, it says install, so just press that. So before it downloads, there's going to be a verification. So this is the last step. Basically, it's download 2 apps, follow instructions, 100% free to do from official app store. So once you do this, the mod will be installed. So yeah, it's pretty cool. So let's just give it a second for this to load. So yeah, it's pretty fast, honestly, so you guys shouldn't be waiting that long either, which is obviously very nice. So as you can see, it's loading right here, so it's just going to say like missing files, and you just want to download some of these apps. So you do not have to download all of them, but you just want to get like 2. Like you can see TikTok says down and run for 30 seconds. Then we got, Underdog, same thing. So just download 2 of them, guys. Most of them are like run for 30 seconds or something really easy. So that's how I get it, guys. Fishdom hack for iPhone and Android, fully working today. So give it a shot, try it out.